Hey everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. Greg, Jess, and Lupe. We're down here on the beach during Semana Santa when we're recording 2026 in Baja, California, Sur. And we've been here for five or six nights now.
Yeah.
And we ran out of eggs.
Potatoes,
bacon. We ran out of a lot of things. And it's Semana Santa, and as you can see, when we got here, there were 0 people on this beach, and now it is packed wall to wall. So we're going to take the Further Customs Laguna 330 to town, so we don't have to pack up camp. And I think it's like, what did we say, 3 miles each way,
yeah,
give or take, into the bay. And winds look like they're going to hold all right for us, hopefully today. It's been pretty choppy lately. So yeah, we're gonna head over there and see if we can get anything from the tienda in this very small town that may or may not actually have the tienda. Oh, and we're gonna try and get some tacos too. Like, comment, subscribe, purchase through our links below to help support the channel. Let's get going.
You ready, girl? Don't worry, we won't leave without you.
Load up.
Get in. Good girl.
Sit.
This video is brought to you by Further Customs. Our inflatable catamaran has opened up a whole new world of adventure and exploration for us. Check out our boat playlist for more videos about it, and look in the description of this video for a link to shop and an exclusive discount code. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. She just wants to chase fish all day.
All right, so we got a restaurant here and a sign for the tienda, so that's good. So yeah, we're gonna go look for it. Come on.
We decided we were gonna do the tienda first because the weather looks good, but we just have a hard time trusting the winds here, so we're gonna keep an eye on things.
We're very new to the boating. And so we don't want to get ourselves in some shit that we aren't ready for.
Yeah.
First day in the bay, it was fine, but it got choppy and we were bouncing a bit, and
yeah,
Lupe doesn't really like it. So
it just takes a lot longer to get there too, and
don't want to run out of fuel.
So we'd rather it just,
yeah,
you know, play it safe. So
I see it.
Yeah.
I'll see you, boy. In? Hey.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that haul.
Yeah.
How'd you do?
We spent $500.
Oh, okay.
I got a couple things. These are
almost
hot.
$25.
No, more than $25 at today's conversion rate.
More than $25.
I put one thing of bread back.
You were gonna get bread?
Well, I got a little chocolate chip muffins.
Oh.
I had 2. I got 3 things.
Okay.
See, I got some Hershey's.
Oh wow,
Pinguinos.
those look fancy.
All
All right.
right.
Let's load up the bag. Okay.
All right.
First step done.
So now we got to do math on how much money we got left. So we only brought $50 to town. I don't even know if we brought 50. Did we?
Yeah, I think we did.
Okay.
So you're craving some shrimp tacos?
If she still has them, she might be
said
sold
she
out
only
by
had
now.
a couple shrimp left.
She said she poquito shrimp.
Okay. Side note, I was asking for beans in the store, And I wanted like a can of beans, and she was like saying she could go get some for me. So I assumed maybe she had some back stock in the house or something. She brought this like Tupperware of hot, currently cooking beans out. So we were just laughing. You never really know what you're gonna get.
Shower for 30 pesos.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
You need one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're at the market. Or the
restaurant.
We're gonna order some tacos.
Maybe.
Greg ordered some coffee first. She, the owner lady, brought us a bunch of books. I'm reading this one called West Mexico from Sea to Sierra. It's very interesting.
Yeah, this is the 1982 edition.
1992.
1992 edition.
Chilaquiles? Oh.
Perfecto.
Bueno.
Ah, gracias.
Yum. Gracias. Mmm.
Ooh, you good girl.
Looks good. Looks really good.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we ordered, gracias, 2 shrimp tacos a la plancha. Those look delicious.
Is that plancha?
They ended up getting fried, which is fine. And an order of chilaquiles with red sauce, so chilaquiles rojo, and it has.
Do you hear him snorting?
No. You waiting for your food too, bud? Oh, I hear he is snorting. You got a little congestion? Lupe wants her snack too.
Lupe.
It's okay.
Get back. Lupe.
Eggs and chicken on that. So we're going to dig in because we are hungry.
Sorry for all that talking I just randomly did. We're going for the dangerous salsa.
Which is not even really salsa. It's like chili oil.
We're going for the dangerous spiciness stuff.
Living on the edge.
Yeah, and I'm just going for it too, so I'm probably going to regret it pretty quickly. Tell you in a minute.
This looks so good. It's good. How's the chilaquiles?
Hot. Don't let hit your throat wrong.
Is it spicy on its own, or it's just the chili?
No.
Okay. Greg also ordered rice pudding. I'm gonna give it a try. That's actually really good.
Huh?
Yeah, that's really good.
Mm-hmm.
No, this is a big portion. But it's warm. I've never had it warm before. It's very cinnamony and sweet. You should probably learn how to make that at home, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Bunch of sugar.
Yeah. Sugar
One
and
cinnamon
carbs.
stick.
Yeah.
That's it.
Milk, sugar, cinnamon, rice.
Ooh,
Is
raisin.
that a date?
I don't know. You want it? I'm just gonna give you the whole spoonful.
Oh.
Is there a pit in there?
Mm-mm. It is a
Raisin?
big raisin, though. Biggest raisin I ever saw.
We'll find another one there at the bottom.
Okay.
We just gotta get through the bumps here.
Yeah. Do you want me to push?
No, we're gonna be good. I just want to make sure I don't go straight at that boat here in a second.
Yeah. And we're idling away. It does look like the weather has held. It looks pretty glassy, so hopefully
So we'll take a tour of the coast.
it'll be a smooth ride back to camp.
To the party.
Fiesta. We're there.
Success.
That was a successful town run. We got groceries, we got full bellies, and it was a safe and comfortable ride. So,
and if you end up in Agua Verde and you go to eat there, don't have a time limit, but it was good.
It was good, just don't be in a hurry.
Yeah, don't be in a hurry.
All right, well that wraps up this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Leave us any comments or questions down below.